They lied to you. You were told that learning to code was the ultimate safety net, a guaranteed ticket to wealth. But here in 2026, your local plumber is officially making more than a senior AI architect. Welcome back to AI 2040 Almanac. While digital agents have driven the cost of cognitive work to practically zero, they still can't fix a burst pipe in the real world. The global labor hierarchy just flipped upside down. Stick with me, because this is the reality check the tech industry is desperately trying to hide from you. Think about it. Why is a master of Python begging for freelance gigs, while a master of PVC is jacking up their hourly rates to record highs? We are witnessing the death of the knowledge worker premium in real time. AI swallowed the screen, but it is completely paralyzed in the physical world. Today, the most lucrative skill is not writing algorithms. It's being the human who shows up when reality actually breaks. The tech bubble didn't just pop, it inverted. Code-generating agents are now a bottom-barrel commodity, but physical, hands-on response, that is the new gold rush. As we push through 2026, senior developers are watching their life's work get devalued by the exact tools they helped build. Meanwhile, blue-collar tradespeople are commanding massive, unprecedented premiums. Let me show you exactly why this is happening. Step 1. The digital supply glut. Autonomous AI agents write code at blistering speeds now. A project that took a six-figure developer 3 weeks, done in 3 minutes. High-level logic has become a cheap public utility, just like electricity. The marginal cost of software has crashed to absolute zero. But the cost of physical maintenance, it's skyrocketing. Why? Because AI scales infinitely. You can copy a model 1 billion times. But a technician? They are bound by physics. They have to drive a truck, crawl under your floorboards, and use their actual hands. You cannot copy that. You cannot scale that. And that scarcity is driving prices to the moon. Step 2. The Dexterity Barrier. Where are the robots we were promised? They're failing. Humanoid bots still don't have that hand-eye gut intuition you need in a cramped, dark crawl space. They can't feel the micro vibrations of a failing valve. They can't smell a slow gas leak. The billion-dollar dream of general-purpose utility bots has hit a brick wall of messy, real-world physics. High-stakes physical troubleshooting is the final, unbreakable fortress of human labor. The person holding the wrench holds all the power. Step 3. The emergency premium. We live in a no-wait digital economy. We are used to instant fixes, so when a physical pipe bursts, people panic, and they will pay extortionate amounts of money to make the water stop. Your local plumber has a geographic monopoly. You can't outsource a flooded basement to a remote worker halfway across the world at 2 a.m. Remote developers are locked in a death match with millions of global workers and tireless AI agents. Their rates are in free fall. But the local tradesperson? Their minimum call-out fee just went up again. Here is the brutal truth no university wants you to hear. Traditional computer science degrees are practically underwater. AI handles the complex architecture that used to justify massive salaries. Yet we have a catastrophic global shortage of licensed master plumbers, electricians, and HVAC techs. We pushed an entire generation into desk jobs, the exact jobs AI is eating for breakfast. The result? The so-called dirty jobs everyone used to look down on are now the primary engines of upper-middle-class wealth and bulletproof job security. So, how do you survive this? In the coming years, the only human-in-the-loop roles that pay well will reward physical liability and real-world execution. If you're a tech worker watching this right now, adapt. Start integrating physical world expertise. Learn hardware maintenance, robotics integration, or pick up a hard trade skill on the side. Future-proofing doesn't mean learning another coding language. It means being the person who bridges the digital-physical divide. Because in a fully automated world, the person who keeps the lights on and the water running owns the future. That's your 2026 reality check. If this changed how you see your career, hit that like button. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you fighting for survival in tech or thriving in a trade? Subscribe to AI 2040 Almanac for the raw truth about our automated future. Stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.